Welcome. This is the first review sheet that we'll be looking at. We'll be looking at review sheets for the first couple of classes. This review sheet deals with place value. So this is a little review. Some of you will know it. Some of you may have forgotten it. So when you have place value, the first place to the right of the decimal place is the 10th column. 0.1, the hundredth column, the thousandths column. Going to the left, it's the ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands, okay? So for example, let's say you had 20.35, okay? So we would say that the 3 is in the tenths column, the 5 is in the hundredths column, the 0 is in the ones column, and the 2 is in the tens column. So for example, if you had 5, 4, 3, 7, 2, 8, 543.728. The 7 is in the tenths column, the 2 is in the hundredths column, the 8 is in the thousandths column. So in other words, it means 8 over 1,000. This means 2 over 100. 7 means 7 over 10. 3 is in the ones, 4 is in the tens, 5 is in the hundreds. This sheet you can use for help if you need to. Print out some extra ones. Everything's posted on the classwork if you want to print out some extra sheets. Now, of course, there are actually more decimal places, but these are the ones we're mainly going to be using because most of our dealings we'll deal with money. So we'll have like $20.35, $543.70. We would have to round this. So when you're rounding to the nearest hundredth for money, you look at the first decimal place you drop. That number is greater than 5, so you drop it and you round up. If you had 25, 2, 4, 3, you want to drop the 3. The 3 is less than 5, so you don't add 1, you just leave it. So that's mainly why we need this column. So there's not really any homework to do with this sheet. This is just a little reminder of the decimal places.